In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the CapCut script to video functionality. So this is it here. I'm going to click on that. And you see now, I want to, it says name of movie or TV. I want to see The Lazy Dog or The Lazy Man. And highlights, I'll say cinematic masterpiece, stunning visuals. Yes, I could choose this. Or I could just say, yes, cinematic masterpiece. I'll use cinematic masterpiece. I want to make it 1 minute. And I want to generate a script for this. Allow CapCut to collect your inputs and generate scripts. I'll say allow. So it's going to use its intelligent creation functionality, and it's going to create a script. And says, hey there, movie enthusiast. Today, we're going to talk about the cinematic masterpiece that's sure to captivate. The Lazy Man, this film clocking in at more than 150 words is okay. I'll leave this as it is. Now you can edit this. You can edit all of this. And I'm going to say generate video. And it's going to say smart generation, generate video with materials from CapCut, or generate videos with materials on your device. I'm going to say materials from CapCut. So it's going to take a little bit of time to do its work. And then when it's done, I'm going to come back and meet you. So this is what CapCut has generated for me. It's a 1 minute video. And if we go ahead and play this.
Hey there, movie enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a cinematic masterpiece that's sure to captivate your attention. Lazy Man. This film, clocking in at a mere 150 words, is a must-watch for anyone who appreciates the art of storytelling. The Lazy Man is a thought-provoking exploration of the human condition, told through the lens of a man who simply can't be bothered to do anything. The film's director, renowned for their minimalist approach, manages to pack a powerful punch in just 150 words. The movie's protagonist, played by the talented actor, is a study in contrasts. He's a man who seems to have it all, yet he's content to let life pass him by. The film's dialogue is sparse but effective, and the visuals are stunning, making The Lazy Man a true feast for the eyes. So, if you're in the mood for a movie that's both thought-provoking and visually stunning, The Lazy Man is definitely worth a watch. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more movie reviews and insights.
Now, you can see that it's actually a good movie. You could edit it. Here, it tells me to replace this particular section with my own material, this particular section. So I could add my own video here. I could add my own video here and, and replace this particular slot. Now, to me, I think it's better if you add your own script and you add your own materials if you can. Now, CapCut is trying to rival all the faceless AI video tools out there. So this is actually an explorative video on how to use CapCut's, AI or text to video functionality. If I were you, I would also want to use my own materials for this and generate my own script using ChatGPT, or get what CapCut gives you, and then you can use it on your video. Now, but with maximal amount of edits, as much edits as you can. So this is just a review on how to use CapCut's text to video functionality. So if you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.